There's really no way for me to get around the fact that the truck is wrecked. We're lifting a totaled truck today. John brought this sweet boat to the shop today. That wide the SS tang, ready to set sail. Look, in the last video we did a $100 giveaway, so somebody in the comments that likes, subscribes, and commented their Instagram underneath in the comments is gonna win $100, and I'm gonna cash app that to you today. John is going to pick the winner so you guys don't think that this is fake. You guys keep showing love to the videos, maybe we'll be giving away some more money. So I'm gonna pull up the comments for the most recent video. John, you have one job. Scroll anywhere through there and pick anybody in the comments to win $100. I'm not looking.
Let's look at the comments, make sure there's actually comments on
yeah, y'all can. They're supposed to comment their Instagram. Who is it? Are you scrolling through?
Scrolling through.
It's real. This ain't fake.
Oh, that's 7-3 live.
No, you can't pick yourself. You can't pick yourself. You.
Let's see. Random. Ready? All right. Marlon Jordan 989.
Marlon Jordan. Did he put his Instagram?
Did he?
I'm gonna try and find Marlon's Instagram. I'm gonna put it up in the video here. Marlon Jordan 989, you got $100 coming your way. If you see this in the next video, send me a DM on Instagram for whatever reason. If I can't find your Instagram, make sure you guys like, subscribe, show some love to the videos. We'll do another giveaway.
I'm on a boat!
We're on a boat! Starting the video on the phone today because my camera's messed up, long story short. But I brought Austin to the Chick-fil-A this morning. I've been seeing Austin at the Chick-fil-A for like years. It's been years now. And Austin's bringing his Chevy to the shop today to get a lift kit. Bought Chick-fil-A for Austin. Say hey, Austin.
Sir.
Hello.
Max track.
Little Max track on that thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I ain't mad at it.
I was gonna get it powdered, but I'm impatient.
It's already powdered.
I know, but you know, I gotta get it white. I want to get it powdered white sometime down the road.
It looks good. We starting the day off at Chick-fil-A. Good vibes. It's Monday. I'm a little tired, but
It is definitely Monday.
let's get this bread. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Y'all were telling me how much this truck was gonna squat. He wanted it to squat, and it's not squatting. Huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do, to be honest with you. 4-inch lift on the work truck?
Look at that bumper.
I ain't mad at it. Getting a 4-inch and some, I don't remember what wheels we're putting on this, I'm not gonna lie.
Same wheels.
Let's keeping these and just bigger tires?
Yeah, dude.
The work truck edition.
Bubba.
Work truck covert edition.
Look at this.
Shout out Real Deal Neil. That's work truck. I ain't mad at it. We don't build a lot of work trucks. I ain't mad at it. Something different.
Cause you're not a real man.
Something different.
You're one of the mall crawlers.
Mall crawlers? We're filming all day today, bro.
What are you filming today, bro?
We finished up Austin's truck yesterday. Well, kinda my fault. Because Max Track ain't my favorite lift kit in the world. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't sell this. Austin brought the lift kit to us. Okay? I love Austin. And it did need spacers as well. So this one will get off the rack today. See, that's perfect. I think Austin's gonna like it, so it's okay.
All right, darling.
Isn't that right, John?
Need bigger tires.
Needs bigger tires? You need bigger tires, John.
Check out the bumper sticker.
He's got a bumper sticker. I can't put that on camera, Leonard.
Yeah, dude.
No, I can't put that on camera. Leonard just got a pack of bumper stickers in from Amazon, and they're very explicit.
Yeah, dude,
I can't put that on there.
Yeah, you can, dude.
I can't put that on there.
Why can't you?
Because it's not appropriate. You're going to get me demonetized. We started that 4-inch yesterday. I told you guys a couple weeks ago, it's been a month or more now probably, that my old silver lift kit is going on a truck, and that truck is here. But I have something to tell you guys about the truck. There's really no way for me to get around the fact that the truck is wrecked, and Yum Yum brought the truck up here with dirty as bald tires. The front end's all smashed in, and it's getting a new, well, not new lift kit, new to him lift kit, but it's getting a lift today. is getting my McGaughy's lift kit. Now it makes sense why he said that he didn't want to powder coat it or nothing, because that's what the truck looks like right now. So we're lifting a totaled truck today. But there's no way for me to hide that, so I might as well just kind of throw it out there before we even get started. What kind of bullshit channel would this be if I tried to film this truck without filming the passenger side? The whole time we just filmed the driver's side of the truck. Never showed you the passenger side of the truck. Nobody'd ever know it was wrecked. Yeah. So the whole time that we were filming it, all I showed you was this side, and it looks like a brand new truck. Or not brand new, but you get the point, yeah. I mean, you guys see what I want you to see, but I'm honest at least, and he's already done a good cut job. So shout out to Yum Yum for already doing the fender modification for us. So his 35s will clear once it's lifted.
Bro, where is it? It's not gonna clear anyways.
Those are 35s.
So he's getting new 35s then, because he ordered 35s.
Spacers?
It's gonna have to get spacers.
You got them here?
Yeah.
They won the last set, went on that truck that Don's in.
All right. Come on now. Come on now, let's go. Come on.
No, I'm not filming that.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Look how it looks like a roller skate.
Come on, bro.
You call this your
Come
friend
on, bro.
Ride around
Look, Austin is about to be shitting on him. Shitting on him.
Who?
Austin.
Bro, I can pull up in that.
Austin.
Pull more than this.
Shitting on him. We got Austin's 2017, 2018 Chevy 1500 finished up. We got the 26s on the 35s with the 9-inch max track. Shit on them, Leonard. It's not a pile. Austin, I love you. Look, we got my boy hooked up with the max track. He did bring the max track. We did not sell it to him. They keep giving me a bunch of crap in the shop about it. But we got him hooked up with the max track, 35s, 26s. He came in with the wheels and tires. We just put the lift kit on for him. I'm not complaining about it. I think it looks good. Austin, I hope you're happy with it. 9 in the front, 7 in the back. We did, when we had put the lift kit on originally, it wasn't squatting enough. So we had to bring it back in and readjust the shackles that they send with the kit, which is kind of weird to me. I don't know why they send a block and a shackle in the back. It's kind of confusing to me, I'm not gonna lie. But truck is done, ready to go, Austin. It's time to stun on him in the Chick-fil-A parking lot tomorrow, okay? John, Corbin's gonna finish this whole lift kit before you're even done with this front end job.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Jake's gonna sell a whole lift kit before you even go back inside the office. How about that?
That's great.
Yeah.
That's more stuff to film, John. I don't think, Yum Yum, I don't think I've built a dirtier truck. Or, I'm not building it. Let me rephrase that. We have built a dirtier truck.
I was saying, who the are you talking?
Hey,
see this piece of shit?
Hey, pipe down, Karen.
Taking credit.
Pipe down. Pipe down, Karen. Corbin's doing a great job. Pipe down over there.
Over there.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I don't think I built a lift kit so dirty like this. Oh.
Brought the box out here this morning. It sounds good though.
Ready.
It sounds good, I like it. It sounds good. Got that truck Norris cam in that thing. Ooh, I like that. I think it sounds good. I think it sounds good, don't it? Having that much power in such a light Jeep is pretty cool. So Mitch had a white 2024 2500 with the 24 by 10s from KG1 on the 325-inch Nittos. Thank you, Meat. Floating center caps. The Heathens, I think is what it was. And we're gonna take the 2410s off and get a 2412s today on his new truck. 2412s, 325 on the gray 2024. He had the white one. I think this one's gonna look pretty good. The other ones were 24 by 10s. So this one's gonna be cut a little bit more. but I think overall the look's gonna be a little bit better. I'm excited. Might be the best setup to do on a truck. We'll see. I thought the 24x10s were the best because it gives you that offset look on a leveling kit with 35s, do some cutting. But the 24x12s might beat it. I like this one better than the 24x10s actually, and these new body style 2500s don't have to be cut as much as the GMCs, or he had a high country on the 24s as well though. We got Mitch's 2500 finished up today. I keep wanting to say that it's a high country, but I know that it's not. 24x12 KG1s, I always call them the directional tridents, but they're not. Pretty sure it's the Blaze. I'll have to, you know, maybe potentially put it up on the screen because I think I'm wrong. But we got 24x12 concaved with the 325, 45, 24 Nittos. If you're not putting Nittos on something, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Either Nittos or Furies. You got to. Anything else and you're doing it all wrong. We got to do some trimming up front. You're doing 24x12s on a 2.5 inch suspension max leveling kit. Of course you're going to do some trimming. 2412s, 35s. Trim it in the front. Clean it up with a little door trim. Take off the mud flap in the back. Do a little bit of trimming back there. What's cool about this one is it's similar to the 1500 where you can take the mud flap off and then you push the fender liner back, self tap it back, and then you just do a little bit of trimming on that bracket and ride into the sunset. Got my boy hooked up. Well, all we did was swap the center caps from the old wheels to the new wheels, but still hooked him up with the floating caps last time he was here. Is this the best setup for the 2500s? You get your 24x12s and 35s on a freaking leveling kit. You don't have to spend the money on a lift kit. You don't have to lift it. Daily driver, Nittos. I mean, it's the best of both worlds. You get the wide fitment, get the wide stance of a 12 wide without having to lift it tall. Let me know in the comments what you guys feeling. I love the gray color. I'm a bigger fan of the Chevys than I am the GMCs. The Chevy front end looks better to me, and I'm standing on that hill. I'm standing on that hill. And look, just for my guys in the comments that want to see me come play with a center cap, we ain't messing with none today. KG1 done fixed it, baby. That one ain't coming off. Jeff Berry, where you at? That one ain't coming off. I shouldn't be talking about Jeff like that. Look, Mitch is always coming through building stuff. I appreciate you. The truck looks great. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You guys like the leveling kit and the 24s and the 35s? I think it looks good.
You recording?
Right here is where John normally likes to break the CV axles. John, what would be your quote of the day?
Quote of the day is...
Look at the camera while you say it. Look at the camera while you say it.
Let's get this bread.
That would be your quote of the day?
Quote of the day.
Jorge, Edgar, what would your quote be?
Don't get pregnant.
Don't get pregnant. That's me. Today he's not hungover, thank God, but he is still smoking a cigarette. What's your quote of the day?
Alex likes...
What's your quote of today, Brandon?
Sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail.
What do you want me to say? Why is your small? You know, I drive a big truck because I'm not allowed to just walk around and show people, so I drive a big truck so they know.
All right, next question.
Nope.
Next question, you ready?
Yeah, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
What happened between you and
It's a good question. We've got a new body style 2500 behind me, getting a 12-inch all red Cognito and some 30s that you guys are gonna see in the next video. So you guys gotta make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you guys can see us build the 12-inch Cognito and 30s. We're waiting on a couple parts while it's on the lift, unfortunately, so you guys won't see it in this video, but the next video, you will see that. But I do wanna show you our 2024 that we got done. I was convinced earlier in the video that the 2.5-inch Suspension Max leveling kit on 24x12s and 33s was gonna be, or 35s was gonna be the better setup, the better daily driver setup. But I might be wrong, because we did a 5 to 5.5-inch BDS on this 24 High Country, almost identical to the one that came in earlier in the week. With the 2612s and 35s, it might be a little bit of a better look. I don't know, you guys gotta let me know in the comments which setup you guys like better. 24-12 on a leveling kit with a decent amount of cutting, or 5 to 5.5-inch BDS on 2612s and 35. Obviously did not have to do as much cutting on a 5.5. He did bring the mud flap delete kits, which we didn't have to do any trimming on, and then we did just a tiny bit of trimming on the plastic, so you keep your phone charger up here on the front. 2612s don't have a crazy offset, so I mean, if we did a 14 wide, which I think would look a little bit better on the truck, a 14 wide would give it a little more of a wider stance, which I think fits the 2500s a little bit better just because of how big and bulky of a truck it is. I think the 14 wides would have been a little bit better, but Axe has a solid wheel. Big fan of the Axe wheel. Shout out to Alicia at Axe. The 2612s and 35 complements the truck really well. The 26s look good. I just would have liked to see a little bit more width, but that just means you're not doing as much cutting. Love the new 2500s. The front end of these trucks is absolutely killer. It is my favorite of all the new body style trucks, definitely over the GMCs. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are we feeling the 26s and 35s on the 5 to 5.5-inch? Or would we rather keep the factory, not have to spend that much money, do a little leveling kit, 2.5-inch Suspension Max keys, and do a little bit of trimming with the 35s and 12 wides with the 24s? Let me know in the comments what you think. Let's get this bread, baby. What's your name?
Michael.
I normally use my camera.
Lathan.
So Michael and Nathan, stop. Lathan?
With the L, yeah.
With the L, Lathan, that's different. Stop me in the Target, and Michael bought some fireworks, and we're gonna pop off a firework in the Target parking lot over here, just to throw them in a video one time, so. Just one ain't gonna hurt nobody.
This really not working.
Oh, come on. Come on. Y'all gonna be in the video either way, it don't matter. That's cool though, yeah, look. Hold on, wait, yeah. Look, come on now. Look, my guy's got the lifted cat eye. Is it? There we go.
Right in front of our truck.
The dumb shit that I do for YouTube just to show love to the people that watch the videos. Look, my guy's got the tan cat eye out here on the lift kit. I've seen him in the parking lot before, and I wanted to take a moment to show appreciation for my guy for watching the videos. I love you, and I appreciate you watching the videos. Look, I wanted to give a shout out to Hardy at Cairo High School, JROTC. My uncle's the instructor over there, one of the instructors. And he told me that there's a couple people in his class that are a fan of the channel. So you're not here, but I want to give a shout out to Hardy and anybody else in the class that watches the channel. I came looking for you, and I guess we're after hours and you weren't here. So unfortunately, I came to come meet you and you weren't here, but I appreciate you watching the videos. Let's get this bread, baby.